Hi, my name is Miss Briana, and today I want to talk to you about another fun process art project. If you're unfamiliar with process art, you can check my last video out where I used a salad spinner. I give a more thorough explanation of what process art is and why we do it. But basically all you need to know is that process art is anything that focuses on the process of making rather than the end product. So I know we're all doing a lot of online shopping these days, and so I've been saving all of my packaging materials in hopes that we can come up with some cool art projects that are easy to do at home. I think one thing we all have a lot of is bubble wrap. So today we're going to use bubble wrap. You're going to need some tape, some sturdy paper, and as usual, some washable paint. The first step is to cut your bubble wrap into the approximate shape and size of the paper you're going to be using at the end. The next thing you'll want to do is to tape down your bubble wrap. This allows you more control when you're putting the paint onto the bubble wrap. I'm using foam brushes here, but you can use anything you have at home. You can use your hands if you want to get messy. Either way, I just recommend you get as much paint on there as possible. The final step is to take your piece of paper and push it down on top of the painted bubble wrap. You want to make sure you press down so that the paint transfers onto the paper fully. Then you can peel back your piece of paper and there you go, you have your work of art. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do this project and you love how it turned out, please take a picture and share it with us. We would really love to see it. And hopefully I will see you next time for some more process art.